Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can insert a solid or straight line into your text documents on LibreOffice Writer in 2026. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so there are two ways how you can do this. Navigate to your text document, and as you can see I added a couple of lines to that example document here. So if you, for example, use the dash button on your keyboard and press it, it really won't look like a solid line but more like a dotted line or interrupted line like this. So let me skip to the next one and show you how I did it. So option number one would be to press left shift on your keyboard and again press and hold the dash button. That is going to add the underline like this, and as you can see it is now a solid line like this. That's option number one. Option number two would be to use the insert shape or line feature. To do that, navigate to insert at the top, hover your mouse over shape, hover your mouse over line, and select line and draw the line here on your document. And you may stabilize it by pressing left shift on your keyboard so that it resembles a 90-degree angle here, and that's it. And you can, for example, position it by using that handle here, or copy it, for example. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.